Hardware Resources Chrome Pantry Pullout extends fully out of your cabinet for convenient access to all your pantry items. This pullout features heavy-duty soft close slides for smooth and quiet open and close. Heavy-duty wire baskets with chrome finish include non-slip clear acrylic basket liners and are fully adjustable. The pullout is available for 12, 15, and 18-inch pantry openings and has 3 adjustable heights. From Hardware Resources, for style and function. If using a variable speed screw gun with clutch to install your new organizer, make sure it is set to a lower setting. Begin by double checking your pantry for the appropriate sizing. The minimum opening is 12 inches, 15 inches, or 18 inches depending on the width of the unit you purchased. This unit is also offered in 3 different heights. On the cabinet floor, draw a center line from front to back. Measuring over 5/8 of an inch from either side, draw parallel lines on both sides of the center line. Now from the front edge of the cabinet, measure back 2 13/16 of an inch, and then also 16 5/16 of an inch, and draw across the lines to intersect with your previously drawn lines. Placing the bottom slide box into the cabinet, line it up on your install marks and attach with screws. These screws are not provided with your organizer, but we do recommend using a number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. On a face frame cabinet, depending on the thickness of the cross rail, you may need to add material under the slide and or the slide brackets so that it will clear the face frame. If so, please install it at this time. Slide brackets are attached with 2 number 6 by 1/2 inch flat head screws. On the upper mounting surface, draw a center line from front to rear. Measuring over 1 1/8 on both sides, draw parallel lines on both sides of the center line. Now measuring back from the front of the cabinet, mark 4.5 inches and 14 11/16. Place the top slide in position on the marks and attach with screws. These screws are not provided, but we recommend number 8 by at least 5/8 inch truss head screws. Ready the frame by installing in the cabinet to determine the height of the frame. Once adjusted, tighten height screws. Remove the center set screw from the T-brackets and then slip the T-bracket into the frame and reinstall set screw finger tight. From the bottom of the door, measure up 3.5 inches plus your overlay and mark a line. From the center of the line, measure over 4 3/8 on either side. Pre-drill pilot holes. Screws are not provided for door mounting, but we do recommend a number 6 flathead wood screw with a length that is equal to the door thickness minus 1/8 of an inch. Align the lower door bracket outer holes and secure with screws. Center the top mounting bracket and secure with the 2 outside screws only just to hold the door in place. Install the middle door brace, paying attention to the basket clip placement. Remove the 2 screws through the door T-bracket and loosen the height screws to allow for the top of the frame to have clearance to install the top slide. Pull slide mechanism out of base and place the frame over alignment pins. Secure with 2 number 10 by 1.25 inch pan head machine screws with washers. Just lightly tighten. Pull top slide out of cabinet and extend upper frame to align front and rear mounting pins. Reinstall door panel screws, adding the remaining 4 screws. Retighten frame height screws. Test closing action and check door alignment. This organizer offers 6-way adjustment. To adjust left, turn inner adjustment screws counterclockwise. To adjust right, turn inner adjustment screws clockwise. After left to right is set, tighten the center set screw. To increase your height, loosen support screws and turn the adjustment screws clockwise. To decrease, turn them counterclockwise. Tighten support screws firmly when the door is at the desired height. If the door needs tilt adjustment, raise or lower front adjustment screw to reach desired tilt. Snap basket clips in desired location and install baskets and liners.